Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous video, we have covered up the DSA in Python project, and I hope you understand that DSA project which we have covered up in Python. So today we are building an amazing artificial intelligence project in Python, and today I will be telling you that how we can build this amazing meal order system using Python in artificial intelligence. And I hope you will be understanding this project here which we are building. So if you understand this project and if you just like this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. We will be also using in another languages as well, means we will be using artificial intelligence with Python. So I will be telling you what are the codes of that and how you can run that things here. So if you understand this, remember to hit a like, subscribe, and also share this video so you can just understand about these things. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can build this amazing project using Python in artificial intelligence, and how we are building this amazing meal order system in Python from start. So just like I've telling you that we'll be just building an amazing meal order system using Python in artificial intelligence. So I've just already opened the folder of that, and I've also opened the file here, main.py file. So we'll be using this and we'll be just building that project here. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can build this project. So for building this, we have to just write some code here. Like first of all, you have to write the print tag here, and here in this print tag we have to now just, I will be zooming in so you can just see my codes. And then here in this print tag I will be writing \n like this, and here I will be now just writing multiply by 5 like this. Then you have to now just import some of the things here, like import date time. Then you have to import here OS, like we have not imported previously. Then you have to now just write here list foods. I will be now writing is equals to, then here like this. Here you have to now write list drinks. In this meal system here we are writing this. Then you have to now just write here list underscore. Then I will be writing here services is equals to, then you have to now write this square bracket, and then you have to now write here list item and underscore price is equals to, then here you have to write 0 multiply by 100. Then you have to write here the discount. Then you have to now just write here 1 is equals to 200. Then after writing this, you have to write here var discount underscore 2 is equals to, then you have to write here 1000. Then write here var discount, and then I will be now writing here 3 in place of 2. Then you have to write here 5000 var discount. Then I will be now just writing here 1, and I will be changing it to rate is equals to, then you have to write here 0.05. Then write here 2 like this. I will be now writing, then I will be changing it to 0.10. Then you have to write here var again. Then you have to now just write here 3 and write here rate is equals to, and then you have to write here 0.15. Write here navigator symbol. So here I will be now writing like this is equals to, then I will be now writing slash. Here you have to just now write if OS name. Then you have to write here is equals to NT. Then write here navigator symbol, then is equals to, and you have to write this backslash like we have written at the top. But difference will be that we should not write this one. This is the left one, and this is the right bar which we have written here. Now you have to just write dev. Then you have to write here underscore default, and here you have to now just write this underscore default. Then here you have to now make this tag, and here I will be moving down, right here global, and right here list drinks. So here I will be now writing list drinks here like this. Then here you have to now write list food. So here I will be writing list foods comma. Then you have to write here list services. Then write here list item like this, and write here order, write list item. And now when you've written this thing, just here you have to now just write here underscore price. And then after writing this price, here you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now just writing here it's global thing which we have just written here. So you can see we have just written these all stuff like this. So we have to now just put the list item order here. So I will be now writing list item order is equals to 0, and write here 100. Then you have to write here def default. Then I will be now writing like this tag, and then here you have to write underscore default, and here you have to now make this tag here. Then here you have to write def underscore main, make this bracket, and write here while true like this. Write here print value, and in this print value I will be making this tag, and you have to write here this tag and write 31. So here I will be writing plus main menu and then you have to write here plus and write this tag here. And after writing, you have to now just write multiply sign 32 with that, and then you have to write here plus backslash n like this. Now when you've written this, here you have to now write t, and then here I will be writing o like in capital, and write here order like this in capital, and write backslash n. And then when you've written this, here I will be now writing here like this. And after writing this tag, here you have to just do one thing. You have to make this bracket down like this. So here I will be making this here, closing it here. Okay. Now when you've written this, just I will be moving down, right here backslash t r. Then here I will be now writing report, and then you have to write here backslash n, right here backslash t, and here you have to write here p tag, and then you have to now write here payment and write backslash n, right here backslash, then you have to write here t and write here e tag and write exit and backslash n. Then you have to write here plus, and here you have to now just write like this tag and write here 72. Then you have to close it, and after closing this tag, you have to now just move down like this input 1, and then you have to write here is equals to, then I will be writing here str input, then you have to write here please select, then I will be now writing here your operation, and then you have to now write here dot upper like this, and then you have to now just move down after this tag if then I will be now writing here input underscore 1, and here you have to write is equals to 1. Then you have to make this tag here, and then you have to move down if input, then I will be writing underscore 1 is equals to, okay, so here I will be moving, and then I will be writing here o in capital you can write. So here I will be now writing this, then write here print and write here backslash n, write here 10. Then when you've written this def order menu, and here you have to now just move down after this, right here break. So you can see we have just written this break here. So I will be now moving down and right here elif, right here input 1 underscore, and right here is equals to r like this thing. Then right here print and right here this tag, right here multiply by 10, right here def report, then make this tag right break. Then when you've written this, here you have to write elif, and then I will be moving forward after this tag like this. Just I will be now writing here input 1, and then in this bracket same I will be writing here p tag. Then you have to just move down, right here print, and then right here backslash n, and then multiply by 10, right here def payment, and then you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be moving, right here break, and write a tag which should be like here elif again, and right here input tag, and then in this input I will be writing 1, and right here like this e tag. Then you have to just now move down print, and then in this print tag I will be writing this tag, and then right here plus thank you, and then you have to now just write here plus, and here I will be now writing this tag, right here this tag again 31 plus, then I will be now writing backslash n, right here break tag, and write another tag which will be like else, right here print backslash n, multiply by 10 plus, then I will be writing here error, and in error I will be writing invalid input, and here you have to now just move here and write like this. Here you have to write plus str, then after writing this you have to write here input, and in input I will be writing underscore 1 plus. So you can see we have just written this, and now when you've written this thing, just here you have to now just write this tag here, and here I will be now just moving, and then I will be writing here comma, then I will be writing here try again, and then I will be closing this here like this. Now when you close this tag, here you have to now just do one thing, like here we have to now just set these things like we have done. So here you have to now move down like this, and right here else, write print tag, and write backslash n, right here multiply by 10 plus error, then I will be now writing here invalid input, and here you have to write like this, and then write plus str input, and then you have to now write here 1 like this, and after writing 1 you have to write here plus, then after writing this you have to write here try again. So here I will be now writing here try again like this. Then when you just written this thing, just here I will be now writing like, and then I will be closing this. So after closing this tag here, you have to now just save it. And then here, after saving this thing here, you have to now just do one thing like this. And then you have to now just give the space here. And then I will be now just minimize the space like this. Now when you've just written this thing, just you have to directly save over here. And after saving the file here, I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now just saving this, and after saving this file here, I will be now running it. So for running, you have to just move to your file which we have created. This was our folder and this was our main file. So I will be now just running this. So I will be opening it. You can open it with Python 3.0, or you can open it with the Python terminal which we are getting. So if it does not open with the both things, so you can use the command prompt to open this file. So we have to just check the URL of this file. So here you can see this was our folder. So I will be moving to my command prompt, cd downloads. So our file is on downloads, and then I will be now writing cd and our folder URL. You can see this was our folder URL. So I will be now just renaming this, and then I will be copying this folder URL, paste it, cd. Then here I will be now just moving here, and then you have to now just copy this. So okay, so we have to rename this, then copy this, rename, paste. Then here you have to write here main.py. This was your file, and when you will be running this, so you will be getting your answer here, and it is saying some error which we are just getting. So it is showing me the error here. So I will be moving down to check that what error we are getting in this file. Means it is showing me error here. So you can see it is saying me that you have forget anything here. Save it. Now you can see all the things has been solved. Now if we run it again, main.py, you can see now it is running. So it is asking me that you want to order payment or you want to exit. So I will be now pressing order. So I'll be pressing O. You can see now it is saying me select your options. You want to order food or drink, other services, or like this. I'll be pressing F to food or drink. You can see it is showing me all the menu which they are getting in their or in their menu order list. So you can just order anything. So you can order this, like I will be order 1. So I'll be pressing 1. You can see how on to you. I will be writing 2. Now you can see you have successfully ordered. Now you have to press payment. So I will be moving to payment by pressing P. So it is saying me you have ordered this 2 things. So you have to have 45.50 is the total amount of this. So now if we add here, if we add 45.50 plus 45. Okay, by mistake I have done. Now if I run it again, okay, so if I run it again, 45.50 plus 45.50, you can see 91. It is showing me 91 here. Means that it is working. It is it is giving me the total of my prices, and it is also giving me my thing. So now you want to pay. So I will be pressing P to pay this. You can see now you have successfully paid, and you are not getting any of the order left in your list. So like this, you can build this amazing menu order system. I hope you understand how you have built how we have built this amazing menu order system. You can also put some of the other things in this project if you want to put, and you can make it more good looking. So if you have understand, enjoy this project, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how they can build this amazing project using Python and other languages. So just help me meet you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.